Hey, what's up guys? I just want to show you the smoke machine that I built for testing vacuum leaks. And I picked this container up at Goodwill. I spent, can't really see it, I think I spent around $3 something, $3.49 for it. Basically it's a container you store your I think you store food in here. And the cool thing is you have a seal lid, you got a rubber seal right here, and a latch to close it up. So what I did, I drilled 3 holes in here, one for the power, one for the smoke to come out, one for air to push in. And this is just a tea that I got from like an aquarium store that I have a pump for my fish pond that I use for from time to time. And here's my pump right here that I use for the fish pond or fish tank. And this is kind of hose it takes. So when I purchase the tea, I just drill a hole and glue it on there, so now I can tee it off. On top here, I just seal it off because I don't really need it. So once I plug it in here, then the air will push in, and there's nowhere to go and come out from here. This is just a piece of connected out of the car to fit the vacuum hose. And in here, my TIG welder, I took some of the wire out of there, and I take a piece of towel, then I just wrap around it, and I put another piece of fabric down there. This way the metal won't touch the bottom. Then I just fill it up with mineral oil and to create the smoke. Let me demo to you. So once I have connectors on here that I can connect to the car battery, or in my case I just got a jumper box over here, so I just hook it up to it. It doesn't matter which lead go to where. And here's a power strip that I got. I can hook my my pump and my jumper box to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. You can see smoke start to build. It's coming out from this right here. To come out, smoke start to come out because pressure is being built up in there. Got nowhere to go. Let me go and hook up the pump to it. Now the pump is on. I get a nice steady stream of smoke coming out. Let me show you how I hook up to the car to test, see if I had a vacuum leak, because I got a engine code P0171 and I got a vacuum leak somewhere. Very hard to find. Let me see if I can hook this thing to it and find the leak. I went ahead and took out the air box and just seal it up right here. Then I take a T and I tap into the the intake area, because I don't want to go from here. Then I have a little hole right here, so I just tap into one of this area so I can see I can find the smoke. Then this way I'll have a nice airtight connection. Let me go turn on the pump so you can find the leak. Here the machine's on. I see smoke coming out from here. Okay. Maybe I didn't have a tight connection. Let me go and remove the hose and take a look. A lot of smoke coming out. Okay. So I have a crack right here on the side. That's where the smoke is coming from. When this clamp go over it, you can barely see it, and that's why it's so hard to find. Let me go and cut this hose back a little bit and plug it back in and check again. The hose is a little too brittle. I thought I could just cut a little bit off of it and plug back in. Unfortunately, couldn't do it. So I went and took another fuel line or vacuum line, and this is from a writing pen. I took the outer sleeve out of it and use it as a connector, so I can connect it together. Let me resume with the smoke test, and you can tell this area is inflating. The pump is pumping. So far there's no leak anywhere I could see. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. This is just a aquarium pump, so it's not putting out a lot of PSI. I'm gonna check right by the intake manifold. Check for all the vacuum hoses. Check all the connectors. So far I don't see any smoke coming out, and that's a good sign. Alright, I think that's it. I don't have any other leak beside that one. Okay, so yeah, this is an update on my little smoke pump that I made. Real simple. I spent, less than $5 on it since I got this item for my fish tank already. Yeah, pretty simple to make. So I hope this video helped you, whether you're troubleshooting vacuum leaks or building a pump. Alright, so thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.